Let's learn how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp and stop people from seeing that you've read their messages. So if you want to open WhatsApp messages from someone, but you don't want the other person to know, then follow my steps. The steps are the same for iOS and Android devices, and let's open the application on our device. I'm in the Messages section in WhatsApp, but let's tap on this Settings icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open our WhatsApp settings section, and you'll now want to navigate over to this Privacy section. A lot of different privacy options will be on this page, which you can adjust and customize to your preferences, but I'll scroll down a couple of times until I see the Read Receipts option, and here it is. I can simply turn off this switch, and then other people can't see that I've read their messages. But keep in mind one thing. If you turn off the Read Receipts, you won't be able to see when someone reads your messages as well. The blue ticks will disappear completely from both sides. But that's about it, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.